National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Taylor County in north-central Wisconsin until 9:15 p.m. At 8:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ladysmith, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Jump River around 6:35 p.m. Medford around 9:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Polley, Stetsonville, Perkinstown, County Roads A and East, Esadore Lake, Kathryn Lake and Gad. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.